everyone, my name is Liam Cleary and I'm excited to attend the Microsoft 365 Community Conference in Orlando, Florida. I had the fantastic opportunity to teach an all-day workshop on Sunday the 28th of April, remember that date? And my workshop is called Guard and Protect Microsoft 365 Security Unleashed. In this workshop, we'll explore the various security features and components of Microsoft 365 and how to use them effectively to prevent, detect, and respond to security incidents. We'll also discuss practical skills and insights from real-world scenarios and best practices for enhancing your Microsoft 365 security posture. The workshop is designed for anyone who wants to improve their knowledge of Microsoft 365 security, as well as leverage its capabilities to protect the digital workspace. The workshop will cover the following topics as well as more. Microsoft 365 security features and components, where we'll review them and see how they work together to provide a comprehensive and integrated security solution. Identity and access management, where we'll investigate the importance of Microsoft Entra's ID capabilities for protecting accounts and access. Application data and protection, where we'll discuss securing applications and using things like conditional access policies for controlling when and how users can connect. Device endpoint protection, where we'll review protecting devices that access your tenant, and then also understand things like data loss prevention, as well as DLP for endpoint protection. And then lastly, we'll focus on security monitoring and response, where we'll look at investigating potential issues, and we'll use things like Microsoft Defender, logging and auditing, as well as Microsoft Sentinel. Come join me for a whole day focused on security, where we're going to delve into how to guard and protect your Microsoft 365 environment from digital threats. But more importantly, come and have a chat, come and hang out. Let's have some fun together as we talk about security. I look forward to seeing you at the conference, and remember, Sunday the 28th of April. Come join me for the whole day. We'll have a blast.